Important warning: this instruction should not be used without consulting the appropriate manual. Take caution when using and maintaining the machine. Watch out for hot surfaces. In this video, we show you how to set volumes for shots and hot water on the spirit. You will need the stainless steel filter holder, freshly ground coffee, 2 shot glasses, and a teacup of your choice. Please note that during the programming phase of a group, that the other groups including hot water remain disabled. You can program 4 different volume doses on a touchpad and 2 volumes on a bass stone. Before we start, it is important to note that the latest programmed volumes of the left-hand group are copied to the other groups. So if you want different volumes on each group, start by programming the left-hand group and then program the others. Volumes should be programmed just as if you are making a normal brew, with freshly ground coffee and a short flush prior to brew. To enter the programming mode, keep the push button of the left-hand bass stone pressed or the upper button of the left-hand touchpad until the lamps of all groups start flashing. This takes approximately 4 seconds. You can now program both switch options on any bass stone handle or any of the lower 4 buttons of any touchpad. Now work quickly, because after 5 seconds the machine automatically exits the programming mode. Start with a quick flush by pressing the lever or the button on the touchpad you would like to set the volume for. Press again to end the flush and then lock in the prepared filter holder and press the bass stone lever or the same button on the touchpad to activate the group for programming the dose. The lamp on the selected bass stone lever will now light up completely. Or on a touchpad, the lamp on the selected dosage button will light up, and also note that the upper lamps of all touchpads will also be lit. Remember that if you follow this procedure on the left group, the other groups will have the same adjustment. Use the shot glasses to check when the desired volume for the selected dose is reached. Press the lever or button briefly again to stop the brew. Wait until the indicator lights dim after about 5 seconds before touching any lever or button, and the volume just used will be programmed into the main controller. You can then restart the entire process for the next volume to be programmed. Programming the hot water timer is similar to programming the coffee volumes. Keep the button of the left-hand bass stone or the upper button of the left-hand touchpad pressed until the lamps of all groups start flashing. Briefly press down the hot water lever to start water flow. Press again briefly when the desired amount of hot water is reached. For the hot water, the controller actually stores the time between activation and deactivation of the hot water spout rather than the actual volume. Finally, set the steam pressure using the adjustment levers on either side of the cup warmer tray. You are now ready to pull shots.